Having trouble with unable to load camera roll on Messenger? Don't worry. In this quick video, I will show you a simple fix that works in 2 minutes. Let's see how to do it. First of all, long press on Messenger, tap and hold, tap on I button, tap on storage, tap on clear data, clear cache, OK to confirm, go back to previous page, then tap on app permission and make sure your all permission is allowed. Allow all permission one by one. After allow all permission, go to Play Store and search here Messenger. Update your Messenger if it's available for updates, then open your Messenger app. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you everyone.